Hello, every Form 2 students. So in this video, we will try to pay attention to the revision exercise, okay, of Form 2 Computer Letter C. Alright? So let's take a look for the MC question. One of it I want to discuss is about question 2. So it's talk about storage device. Alright, so storage device should be 1 and 3. Okay, so the answer should be 1 and 3. Okay, however, you cannot find this answer here. Okay, so if you find the answer in the Google Classroom, the answer it will be 1 and 3. Alright, so for the others, I've no special things to talk about. Alright, hello, and then go to page 2. I want to talk about shortly for this diagram. So it is talk about the conversion of the units. Okay, so from small b to big B, the conversion should be by 8. Okay, and the reverse should be multiplied by 8. Okay, and then for the other, we only use 1024 to do so. Alright, so here just remind you, please bring with your calculator, okay, before the exam. Alright, okay, and so here it is. Okay, and then go to page 3. So for question 2, you try to apply the conversion on the previous page. You try to convert, let's say part A, megabyte to small bits. Okay, so you remember we should try to multiply by 1024 for 2 times. Okay, because it is mega. Okay, mega multiplied by 1024 for 2 times, it will be back to bytes, and then bytes become bit, we multiply by 8. Alright, so you can use the a similar way to solve this problem. Alright, and then let's go to question 5. So here we try to see the file format of some graphic. Okay, graphic file format. Okay, so first of all, let's say B, for transparency background, only GIF can support. Okay, and then if you want to store a lot of realistic photo, because you use a lot, okay, that means the storage size is high. Okay, so we recommend you to use JPG. Okay, because this is a compressed file size. Okay, the file size will be a little bit will be smaller. Alright, so for the last one, highest quality should be BMP. Okay, and then to the 4th page, let's talk about question 9. So try to match the description of these 4 software. Okay, first of all, it is not in our exam. Okay, but you can still know that it is the device driver. And then for the other 3, you should know that. For Chrome, it is a web browser. Okay, and then Excel, it is an electronic spreadsheet. And the last one, Windows is an operating software. Or in short, OS. Alright, so this is a platform to run some application software. Okay, and then for question 10, because it is free, that you can play 10 level. Okay, but if you need to play all the game level, you should pay it. Alright, so what type of software it is? It should be a shareware. Okay, and then B, this type of software in A and commercial software also pay to download. Stay one different. Maybe you can say that for shareware, it is free to try, but pay to use. Okay, Okay, and then the page 5. For the question 11, you can see that layer 2 will cover layer 1. Okay, so let's take an example of case A. The square is on the triangle, so the output should be, you can only see the square. Okay, and then for the curve, it is not covered, so you can see it in the output. Okay, and in case B, you should be able to see the big triangle at top, and it covers parts of the ellipse. Okay, so the output should be something like this. Okay, so it's all I want to say about for the revision. Okay, so just remind you, try to revise all the worksheet and also the first term exam paper. Okay, then if you have time, I will suggest you to study the worksheet and also the text and also the quiz. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Hope you can get a good results in the exam. Okay, bye bye.